How to organize meetings in Windchill. First of all, we will go on our Windchill homepage. Then meetings tab will be there. In that, create new meeting icon will be there. We'll click on this and new window will open like this. In this window, we have three targets to meet. Number one is setting attributes. Number two is selecting the participants, and number three is identifying meeting objects like presentation or PDF. Now, in this meeting tab, there are two types. First is standard and the other one is web based. So the only difference between these two is that web based required a meeting password which participants need to fill before joining the meeting. In today's video, we will learn the type standard and how to create a meeting type for standard. So number one, will select the type. Number second, will add title for the meeting. In this, how to organize meetings. Then date and time will add, and the duration should always be in numeric and in minutes. For example, it is a 1 hour meeting, will add 60 minutes. If it is 2 hours, will add 120 minutes. Then this section is optional to fill, whereas it is always recommended to fill a meeting location at least, and agenda also, what the meeting is all about, so that the candidates can get an insight about it. Then we will click on next. Then second target will be highlighted is of select participants. Now we will click on this add button, and here we can add the participant's name and then click OK. Here all the participants added will be reflected, and then we will click on next. Then third target will be highlighted of identifying meeting objects. Meeting objects can be anything like a PowerPoint presentation or a Word document or a PDF, just to study before finally joining the meeting so that candidates are prepared. So we'll click on again add button, and then we can search and then click OK for the respective document. Then the objects will be added here, and then finally we can click on finish. In this way, meeting is successfully organized in Windchill, and all the candidates will get the meeting communication through Outlook or the Gmail, whatever your company is on to. So I hope this was a useful video. Keep visiting my channel for more such videos.